All right, everybody, how you guys doing out there today? Welcome one, welcome all. I'm going to go over just a couple really quick things. Listen, so yesterday I put in actually it's today or something like that. When the hell was it? Yesterday. 8 o'clock in the morning, I said, hey, this is 10335, right? The bulls need to get up over 10335, right? And you can see where this is, all this resistance up here. There's the daily Gauss, the 3-day Gauss, but 10233 is actually the weekly Gauss, right? Which should act as a stronger resistance. So the close that the bulls are looking for is to get up over this 10335 area, right? Which you can see is here and there. So this is what they're trying to get up. Or you can also see that it's over here on the there. Well, it's 10.4 pumped up a little bit there. 10.3 on the weekly over here. There's the 10.3 range right there on the weekly upper Gauss, right? So hit the upper Gauss, pulled back, hit the upper Gauss, pulled back. The weekly candle is bearish, right? Still bearish. It's still a hanging man at this point, right? So I'd mentioned that we might have to hold out till the end of the week, right? This might have to hold out to the end of the week. Where did I see? There it is. We might not get a retrace is what I was thinking until the next weekly close, right? Which is the weekly close we're posting up right here, right? I think because we just hit the resistance I was talking about, right? And tried to get up over that resistance and we got rejected. So the 12-hour candle, daily candles, I mean, there's a long way to go in the daily though. So we got a long way to go in the daily. One of the things I really want to come back here and take a look at is look at the BTC dominance. It's the blue line right here, right? So look, this is the BTC dominance right here. This thing just fell off of a freaking skyscraper. And yeah, the alts came up a little bit. Alts have been going up as we've seen some really strong action in the alt markets. We've seen some pretty good action in the alt market. Link, as I had predicted, going to $4 from $3. It's there. We're just a little bit over $4 right now. SV too, man. SV was down in the buy range. I mean, here we go. We'll take a look at these. There was SV. This was, I said, needs to hold 236. That was my outline. Never got to it. Still in it. Still in the trade. We're actually at 376 right now, right? 376. I said this looks like an anti bottom. This could also turn into a bullish triangle on there. Link, listen, this chart goes all the way. I mean, I can't even tell you. My accuracy on the link chart goes back so far. My accuracy on the link chart goes all the way back to hithereth. And I mean, Jesus Menezes, I've just been absolutely insanely accurate on link. So like from missed the pullback area. Well, don't say that. Had one pullback area here, kind of fell in the midst and betwixt both of these areas. All right, this was definitely my rebuy area for more link, which I never made it down to. But then we had this other. I said from here. This just worked out great. So still looking good on link. Also making a bullish triangle, punching up into the resistance here into previous historical resistance range. But link has just been absolutely amazing. You guys can go back and see that. XRP making a nice run. Also BNB. Listen, BNB never ceases to amaze me, right? Just one of the most. And I take my hat off to CZ. This is, to me, the only true functioning cryptocurrency in the world. That's it. There is no other, not even Bitcoin. And I'll have that argument any day with people. Yeah, sure, you can use anything to transfer wealth. Anything to transfer wealth. Right? People say, oh, but Bitcoin's amazing because you can transfer wealth with it. Yeah, well, you can transfer wealth with Ethereum. Shit, you can transfer wealth with anything. I mean, there's, if you want to move money from point A to point B and then sell it, I mean, you got a million different alternatives right now out there, about 2,000 cryptos out there. So it's not just, it's just Bitcoin is not in a class of its own where you can't. And the other thing is Bitcoin just doesn't do shit. It just doesn't do anything. It's too slow. But BNB on the other hand, by far the best. It is a digital coupon that they make money on, right? And there's nothing else out there that makes freaking money in the crypto world. You buy BNB, it works as a coupon, you get money off trading. These guys print this BNB out of thin air, and then they absolute freaking genius, right? Making money out of thin air. Absolutely genius. So God bless CZ and all he's done for the to prove the point that cryptocurrency can be a viable, usable financial tool, and also a great financial and also a prove user. He's created a user case that's now proven itself for years and years and years. It's a digital coupon. Works great. Litecoin, same thing. Nice run, right? I mean, God, look at my Litecoin. Look at my Litecoin chart. All right, so let's see how well my Litecoin chart did over here, right? Let's go back. There's my Litecoin chart. Let's see the last time I did Litecoin, right? There's my Litecoin. It's been a minute, skis, right? Look at that, right? Can't drop below 40 to the moon, right? All the way back. Let's see. There it is. God damn, I'm good. You know what? Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're great, and it's often better to be the great side, right? I mean, sometimes you just got to give yourself a little pat on the back, and that was a fine job by me. Paste, right? Hold on a second here. My God, how old is this? There it is. Golly, how can I grab that? 9.4. September 5th. All right. There it is, boys and girls. All right. Gotta grab one more. Sorry for taking up your time. There we go. All right. And scoot some stuff around. Wow. Just absolutely moondicular on just amazing call. Ethereum, doesn't look like it had anything for Ethereum. Ethereum, you know, it just like you guys were saying that some nice runs on alts, and they're getting it. The alts are getting it all the way around. I just have to go back, and I'm gonna say one more time. I am the bears, the bulls. I'm sorry, the bulls have to close over 10.311, and would you ever see 10.331 to 10.233? Right, it's that simple. So for me right now, it's nothing has changed. Okay, so we're going to go back to BTC. Right, still the same. Bulls need a close over 10.233 to 10.3. Was it 10.33? It was 10.335. I think it is. 10.300, whatever it is. 10.300. It's like 335. There it is. Okay, 10.335. Still, I am still looking for a near-term pullback this can take to the end of the weekly close. Right? 9,500. Let's go. I just want to confirm 95. Getting a little bit higher there on the supports. 95, 95, 94. So we're north 94 to 95 and a half right now. Yep, 94 to 95 and a half. Yes. So like 94 supports. Range is 9,400 to 95. It's gonna go up though, 95.50-ish. Right? Okay, here we are. Where is that one chart? One more chart I'm gonna go over. There it is, right there. And where did you go? Oh, come here. There we are. Finex is going long. Always win, right? All right, so this is my note real quick here. I said Finex is going long, right? Look at how long Finex is going long. I said, to me, it looks like, you know what? They're almost loaded up. They've loaded up their longs, and just like they did before, they loaded up all their longs, and then they just, they dump them for profit, load them up again, dump them for profit, load them up again. I mean, these guys are absolute geniuses over there, hiding in Malta or wherever they're at. Nobody knows who the hell they are. God bless them. Oops, no. But that's the only thing I really. I mean, the Binance, the Finex guys, just so tough to play against these guys, right? These are the pump and dump experts of the crypto sphere. So I'm telling you, I am still, nothing has changed for me. I am looking. We haven't broken out. Right? Until we break out, until we close over that line, nothing is bullish. It's just not. You got to get up, got to get over this in order for this to be bullish to me. I am still looking for a pullback to the 9,500-ish range. I want to see a pullback to the 95, big shakeout, take a bunch of profits, $1,000, and kind of consolidate for a second before we try our next move up to break up and out of all of these areas, right? Right, I still think we need one big shakeup before we make the move. That's it. I'm the Vamp, and I am out.